Shiloh Hendrix was back in court today for the start of her jury trial. Hendrix faces 2 misdemeanor charges of disorderly conduct after she was caught on video calling a child a racial slur at a Rochester playground. ABC 6's Kabidi Mutamba was in court today and has more on what jury selection looked like and what's next for that case. Kabidi?
Axel, it took a while to actually get to jury selection this morning. That's because both the state and the defense want to lay out some ground rules for what could actually be argued during the trial. Today's goal was to narrow a pool of 35 potential jurors down to 6 with 2 alternates. But that didn't end up happening because both the prosecution and the defense wanted to decide exactly what question the jurors would be asked to answer with a ruling. The judge made it clear that jurors would be asked to decide if Hendrix's use of a slur towards a child, as shown in the now viral video, should be considered fighting words or not, which are words targeted at one person that would cause them to react violently. The jury is not being asked to decide whether offensive speech should be protected under the Constitution. And this point is something that both city lawyers and Hendrix lawyer Brian Corrales continued to argue over as jury selection went on. The right to free speech, offensive or not, is something that got passionate support outside the courthouse from protesters against Hendrix's trial. They were joined by right-wing influencer Jake Lang, who was there in court in support of Hendrix. And when the court finally got to jury selection, there was a lot of emotion from jurors when they were asked whether they could be fair and impartial for this trial because of the use of a racial slur and a child being involved in this case. Now, jury selection is set to continue tomorrow morning, and with today's delay, Judge Krista Daly seems set on keeping things short and sweet. Live in Rochester, Kabidi Mutamba, ABC 6 News.